Vanvittig her verden. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Eivind and I'll be taking you on a fast film journey in garage cleaning today. In addition, I will be having a short competition today and make sure to keep an eye on the blue bag you see on the screen. More on that later. Those of you who've seen my previous videos might have noticed that the garage hasn't been exactly tidy, and I thought it was time to do something about it. To be honest, I've been telling my wife I'm going to the garage to clean, but always falling for the temptation to just turn another wooden bowl and making an even more messy situation out of it. So finally it's time for me to make some room for her car in the garage. This is also my first voiceover film, so please give me honest feedback on what you think. Go gentle on me, but I appreciate all feedback on both quality and content. So back to the competition. As I told you, keep an eye on the blue garbage bag. The number of times I move the blue garbage bag, plus the number of times I go up the stairs to the attic, I will be giving a wooden bowl to a random person who has gotten the correct number when the channel reaches 200 followers. So for me to give it away, I need a channel to reach 200 subscribers, and at that date I will go through the comment section, pick a random person who has gotten the number right, and ship a wooden bowl that I will make in another video anywhere in the world free of charge. So to conclude, the number of times the blue bag is moved plus the number of times I go up the stairs, leave the comment down below. So with that said, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. Keep counting and remember to like, share and subscribe if you want to see how my next YouTube projects turn out. Whoops, did I forget to tell you guys that I just came back from Germany? Biergarten, Bier trinken und so weiter.
$2,000 later.
So this is what happened. Actually, it turns out that my phone cannot contain at least 4 hours of video content. Surprisingly, I didn't buy enough gigabytes on my phone when I bought it. So that's what happened. I lost half an hour, and this is 3 days later. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you on the next one.